So our topic for today is climate change. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, such as through variation in the solar cycle, but since the 1800s, human activities had been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Here's the consequences of climate change. Extreme weather events like floods. Heavier rains and floods both help mosquitoes grow and survive. Thus, health risks from mosquito-borne disease including diarrhea, dengue fever, and malaria are predicted to worsen. Second is typhoon. Heavy rainfall. This is due to higher sea surface temperatures and higher subsurface sea temperatures, which removes the natural buffer of typhoon strength that colder water from below the ocean surface causes. Sea level rise resulting from climate change will also worsen the effects of these strong typhoons. The Philippines is becoming more vulnerable to stronger cyclones with its rapidly growing population. Heat waves or desertification. Climate change is one of a number of variables that are considered to contribute towards desertification. Desertification is land degradation in dry lands, resulting from various factors, including both climatic variation and human activities. Ocean acidification. It results from an increased concentration of hydrogen ion and the reduction in carbonate ions due to absorption of increased amounts of CO2. Carbon pollution is changing the ocean's chemistry, slowing its ability to uptake CO2, making it more acidic and harming shellfish of other marine life we depend on. Rising sea levels. Sea levels in the Philippines are rising roughly twice the global average rate when particularly powerful storms such as Typhoon Haiyan hit land. The higher sea level contributes to storm surge of up to 15 to 20 feet. Loss of biodiversity. Climate change is happening due to natural factors and human activities. The environmental changes being driven by climate change are disturbing natural habitats and species in ways that are still only becoming clearer. To prevent the climate change, with such a huge crisis facing the entire planet, the international response should be swift and decisive. Yet progress by the world governments has been achingly slow. Many commitments to reduce carbon emissions have been set, but few are binding and targets are often missed. So the number one is keep fossil fuels on the ground. Number 2, invest in renewable energy. Number 3, switch to sustainable transport. Number 4, restore nature to absorb more carbon. Number 5, protect the forest like Amazon. Number 6, protects the ocean. Number 7, reduce the use of plastic. The country faces grave challenges in the form of threats to its environment, industries, and the lives and livelihood of its people. The best way we can do is to educate ourselves on how best to face these challenges. While it does seem at times that we can do little as individuals, if we arm ourselves with knowledge of the science behind climate change and its effect on people and the environment, we can start to take steps forward positive change and influence others to do the same. In her inaugural speech, Lagarde reflected on challenges that the country faces with lingering effects of the climate change. She said she will also promote green jobs and green skills in the country and encourage people to engage in agriculture, forestry, horticulture, information technology, creative industries, and other careers that contribute to environmental and cultural preservation. Well, that's all guys, and thank you for watching.